Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Tinder not working. Now, if your Tinder is not letting you logging in, so let's go ahead, open your web browser and type in tinder.com. Now, it will show you this page and scroll down as you see two buttons saying create account and login. Now, press on login. And here are three options as you see, continuing from Gmail, with Facebook and with number. And below these options you see trouble logging in. Press on it and type in the email that you opened your account with. Send email. Now open your email, and as you can see here, I've got an email from the Tinder saying log into your account. Or you can also press this link on your web browser. Now click on verify now, type in your phone number. Now it will give you a code. Now after you got your code, paste it and hit next. Now as you can see here, your Tinder is logged in. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.